welcome to our live stream. Hi.
Hi.
等会儿你给摄像头发一下子。
搁哪儿放？Hi everyone. This is Carol from Shanghai Minglan Chemical Co.Ltd.
使劲。
Welcome to our live show. We are the professional manufacturer and the supplier of lubricant additives. We have committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time.
Our main products are lubricant additive, including additive components, TP booster, ZDTP, dispersants, and power pump depressant and viscosity index improver, and some additive packages, such as engine oil additive package, hydraulic oil additive package, gear oil additive package, and industry oil additive package.
Our company, in good faith, truth-seeking, mutual benefit, and service-oriented, we are willing to grow up and make progress together with friends from all over the world. Okay, so if anyone have any interest in lubricant additive, just feel free to contact us. And today we will introduce an experiment of measuring the kinetic viscosity. Now let's watch the video first.
Welcome to all of that. We will use the following tools to measure kinetic viscosity. First, take some samples from the prepared sample beaker. Second, take the viscometer tube and measure it. Third, put the tube in the test machine and let it rest. Try to reach a constant temperature. Required temperature has been reached. Stop the sample and let it higher than the first position of the viscometer tube. When the sample liquid level falls back to first position due to gravity, when the sample liquid level falls to second position, timing ends. The above steps should be repeated at least 3 times. By measuring kinetic viscosity, we can better understand the rheological properties of petroleum products.
Okay, now let's watch the video step by step and explain it.
Kara, what's the experiment measure about?
It's measuring the kinetic viscosity.
What is the degree of the viscosity?
And today we will measure the kinetic viscosity at 40 degrees.
What samples are used to in this?
We will use the sample of 150 N-base oil.
Next question, what tools are used in this experiment?
Welcome to our lab. We will use the following.
We will use the following tools to measure the kinetic viscosity. The first one is the viscometer, and this one is fixture, latex tube, and this is the sample of 150 N-base oil. This is air suction ball. All of these are the tools we will use in this experiment.
Okay, please introduce
measure kinematic viscosity.
行吗？主要他冷了，我慢一点打。
And first, we need to take samples from the prepared sample beakers. First step is take sample.
Samples from the prepared sample beaker.
Set the sample. Second, fix the viscometer tube and the latex tube onto the fixture.
这上面显示是事实的。
事实，那有两个人搁那看呢，有两个人看你们。
Put the fixed sample.
Third, put the fixed sample into the test machine and just put it there, and we try to wait the constant temperature at 40 degrees because we want to test the kinematic viscosity of 40 degrees. So we just wait the machine temperature reach 40 degrees.
How about if I want to test the viscosity at 100 degree?
Then it is easy. We just wait the machine constant temperature reach 100 degrees.
Thank you. Please
Go
continue.
into the test machine and let it rest, trying to reach a constant temperature. Required temperature has
Been reached. The constant temperature have reached 40 degrees. We set the sample and light it higher than the first position of the viscometer tube. And there is one thing need to note: if there are bubbles in the viscometer, we need to set them out. We need to set the bubbles out.
been reached, suck the sample and let it higher than the first position of the viscometer tube.
When the sample liquid level falls back to first position due to
When the
gravity.
sample liquid level falls back to
first
first
position.
position due to gravity.
And we start timing.
When the
Sample liquid level falls to second position.
Where is the second position?
Second position here. First position. Means when sample liquid level falls from the first position, we start timing, and when the sample liquid level falls to the second position here, we finish timing.
Timing ends.
And the above steps should be repeated at least 3 times.
Should be repeated at least
It must be to test about 3 times.
At least 3 times or more, and we can get the sample average flow time. Then we can get the kinematic viscosity of 150 N-base oil.
Okay. So how to calculate the viscosity?
This one is the sample average.
Listen better.
This is the sample average flow time, and this one is the viscometer constant. They multiply and is the kinematic viscosity at 40 degrees.
Okay, so what is the purpose of this experiment?
By measuring the kinematic viscosity, we can better understand the rheological properties of petroleum products.
Understand the rheological properties of petroleum products.
This is the introduction of this experiment, and do you want to see the video totally again?
Yes, okay, we put the video again.
Welcome to our lab.
没有9分钟。
9分半了，
We
反正已经
will
过了
use
快
the
点10分钟。
following tools to measure kinematic viscosity. First, take some samples from the prepared sample beaker. Second, fix the
Yo.
viscometer tube and latex
聊啊，现在
还是那样。
不是
一共3个，
啊，啥3个？
这不2个，那不1个吗？那1个咋就说法呀？
没啥说法。
Required temperature has been reached. Stuck the sample and let it higher than the first position of the resolution tube. When the sample liquid level falls back to first position due to gravity.
已经到这儿了，按理这时间有点正常，但它优速率没有昨天晚上那个。
When the sample liquid level falls to second
来一个人。
position.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Tiny ends.
Nice to meet you too.
Should be repeated
Thank
at
you.
least 3 times. By measuring kinematic viscosity, we can better understand the rheological properties of petroleum products.
哎，你说昨天晚上为啥会有两散？
Hi, welcome everyone to the live stream. If you have, we have watched the video again. So if you have any question about this experiment, you can just type your question
你这边没建筑公司？
in the public area. 我还没开始呢，我现在是结束语。
哦。
If you have any question, you can just type your question in the public area.
他为啥开始了？
你放的啊？讨厌鬼。If you have any interest in lubricant additives, you can contact us. Do you have any question? Okay. Hi everyone, this is Carol from Shanghai Minglan Chemical.
Hello, I'm Catherine from Shanghai Minglan Chemical.
Shanghai Minglan Chemical Company is a professional manufacturer and supplier of lubricant additives. We have committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Our lubricant additive packages. Hi, welcome. Our lubricant additive packages meet the specification requirement of bench test and possess excellent product performance and reliable quality, so that always holds technology leading status in the lubrication industry.
We have more than 100 of additive package. They are mainly including additive components, TBN booster, CDDP, as well as dispersants, power pump detergent, and viscosity index improver. Also, we have some additive package, such as engine oil additive package, gear oil additive package, hydraulic oil additive package, and industry oil additive package.
Okay, if you have any interest or question in our product lubricant additive, you can just type your question in the public area. You can just feel free to contact us for more details. And today we will introduce an experiment of the kinematic viscosity. So we will just watch the video first time.
Welcome to our lab. We will use the following tools to measure kinematic viscosity. First, take some samples from the prepared sample beaker. Second, fix the viscometer tube and latex tube onto the fixture. Third, put the fixed sample into the test machine and let it rest, trying to reach a constant temperature.
Anyone here?
Required
Hi,
temperature
anyone here?
Stuck the sample
You just say
and
hello?
let it higher than the first position of the viscometer tube.
关
When the
注我是不
sample
能发
liquid
弹
level
幕。
falls back to first position due to gravity.
这是真的。
Hi.
When the sample liquid level falls to second position,
Hello.
timing ends. The above steps should be repeated at least 3 times. By measuring kinematic viscosity, we can better understand the rheological properties of petroleum products.
Okay, now let's watch the video step by step and explain the steps.
What's the experiment measuring about?
This experiment is about measuring the kinematic viscosity.
What's the degree of the viscosity?
We tested the kinematic viscosity of 40 degrees.
What samples are used at this experiment?
The sample in this experiment we will use 150 N base oil. Okay.
Welcome to all of that. We will use
And what tools are used at this experiment?
We will use the following tools to measure the kinematic viscosity. The first one is viscometer. This one is viscometer. And fixture. This is latex tube. This is the samples to be tested. The sample is 150 N base oil. And this is ear suction ball.
to measure kinematic viscosity. First,
First, we take some samples from the prepared sample beaker. This step is suck the sample to the first position, higher the first position. Second, fix the viscometer tube and the latex tube onto the fixture. Third, put the fixed sample into the test machine and put it at rest. And we try to wait the constant temperature reach 40 degrees.
What should I do if I want to measure the viscosity at 100 degrees?
We just wait the machine constant temperature reach 100 degrees. Normally we just test the kinematic viscosity at 40 degrees and 100 degrees. So if you want to test the 40 degree kinematic viscosity, we just wait the machine constant temperature reach 40 degrees. And if you want to test the kinematic viscosity at 100 degrees, we just wait the machine constant temperature to 100 degrees.
你这英文烫嘴呀！
want to reach a constant temperature.
非得说课本才写。
When the required temperature reached, we set the sample and light it higher than the first position of the viscometer tube. When the sample liquid level falls back to first position due to gravity, we start timing. And when the sample liquid level falls to second position,
You can tell us where is the first position and where is second position.
this is the first position and this is the second position. When the sample liquid level falls to the first position, we start timing. And when the sample liquid level falls to the second position, timing ends. And the above steps need to repeat it at least 3 times.
We must test the sample at least 3 times.
Yes, we should repeat the above steps at least 3 times, or if you want a more accurate value, you can test more times.
Okay, thank you.
3 times. By measuring kinematic viscosity.
And then we can get the kinematic viscosity of 150 N base oil at 40 degrees.
What is the number of 371.3?
This is the average sample flow time.
And what is the number 0.07985?
This is the viscometer constant. and they multiply, we can get the kinematic viscosity of 40 degrees.
Okay, so what's the purpose of this experiment?
By measuring the kinematic viscosity, we can better understand the rheological property of petroleum products. Now we have explained the experiment step by step, and we can watch the video again.
We can better understand the rheological
And if you have any question, you can just type your question.
products.
看完走了。
筷子伸完后给快没了。
Welcome to all of them.
Hello everybody. If you have any question, you can tell us and we will introduce the experiments to you.
这套跟那些是谁呀？回去小问，要看全程吗？
没有，这个怎么得到不显示？
哦，
还有一遍。
是的。
Second, fix the viscometer tube and latex tube onto the fixture. Third, put the fixed sample into the test machine and let it rest. Try to reach a constant temperature. Required temperature has been reached. Suck the sample and let it higher than the first position of the viscometer tube. When the sample liquid level falls back to first position due to gravity. When the sample liquid level falls to second position. Timing ends. The above steps should be repeated at least 3 times. By measuring kinematic viscosity, we can better understand the rheological properties of petroleum products.
Okay, this is the experiment about measuring the kinematic viscosity. And if you have any question, just be free to let me know. If you have any interest in our products, lubricant additive, also just let me know. Hi, anyone here? Do you have any question?
打完招呼跑了。
Hi.
他
Hello.
们社恐吗？
Is there anybody here in the live stream? You can talk with us.
Our products are lubricant additive, and today we are introducing the experiment about measuring kinematic viscosity. If you have any question or interest, just feel free to let me know. Nobody.
Go.
Hi, this is Kara from Shanghai Minglan Chemical.
Hi, this is Catherine from Shanghai Minglan Chemical.
We are the professional manufacturer and supplier of lubricant additives. We have committed to supply the professional, perfect, effective, and satisfactory lubrication solutions all the time. Our lubricant additive packages meet the specification requirement of bench test and possess excellent product performance and reliable quality, so that always holds technology leading status in the lubrication industry.
We have more than 100 of additive package, including additive components, TB and Monster, ZDDP, power pump depressant, viscosity index improver, Esler's dispersant, antioxidant, and additive packages such as gear oil additive package, hydraulic oil additive package, engine oil additive package, and industry oil additive package.
If you have any interest or question in our products, just be free to let me know. And today we will introduce an experiment.
What's the experiment measuring about?
It's measuring the kinematic viscosity.
So what's the degree of the viscosity?
Now today we will test the kinematic viscosity of at 40 degrees.
And what samples are used at this experiment?
The sample we use is 150 N base oil. So today we will test the kinematic viscosity of 150 N base oil.
And what tools are used at this experiment?
We
will use the following tools to measure the kinematic viscosity. First is the viscometer. This is viscometer and fixture and the latex tube. And this is the samples to be tested. The sample is 150 N base oil. And this is ear suction. All of these are the tools we will use to measure the kinematic viscosity. And first, we need to take some samples from the prepared sample beaker. This step is suck the sample. Second, fix the viscometer and the tube and the latex tube onto the fixture. Third, put the fixed sample into the test machine and let it rest. Try to reach a constant temperature 40 degrees.
What should I do if I want to measure the viscosity at 100 degrees?
And we just wait the test machine constant temperature reach to 100 degrees. Because this is test the kinematic viscosity at 40 degrees. So we just wait the machine constant temperature to 40 degrees. And if we want to test the other degree, we just wait the machine constant temperature to required temperature.
Try to reach a constant temperature.
Required temperature has been reached. Set the sample and light it higher than the first position of the viscometer tube. And after required temperature has been reached, set the sample and light it higher than the first position of the viscometer tube. Here is the first position. And there is one thing need to note: if there are some bubbles in the viscometer, we need to suck them out. We suck the sample higher than the first position. And when the sample liquid level falls back to first position, here is the first position. When the sample liquid level falls back to first position, due to gravity, we start timing. When the sample liquid level falls to the second position.
Where is the second? Okay, we can show the second position on the picture.
And we will repeat the above steps at least 3 times.
Yes.
And then we can get the kinematic viscosity.
So what is the number of 371.3?
This is the sample average flow time.
And what is another number 0.07985?
This is the viscometer constant, and they multiplied, we can get the kinematic viscosity at 40 degrees.
Okay, so what's the purpose of this experiment?
By measuring the kinematic viscosity, we can better understand the rheological properties of petroleum products.
Okay, that's the experiment.
This is the introduction of the experiment of kinematic viscosity. If you have any question, just be free to let me know. And if you want watch more experiment, you can follow our account. Anyone here? If you have any question, just be free to let me know. If you have any interest in our products, Lubricant Additive, you can contact us.
Yes, if anybody here, you can talk with us.
This is just one experiment. So we have made about 10 experiment. So if you want to watch more videos about the experiment, you can follow our account.
From the picture, you can see this is our own laboratories, as the laboratory from Shanghai Minglan Chemical.
完了，那拜吧。
Okay, that's all today, and thanks for your time. Bye bye.
Bye bye. 所以一般就是介绍3遍呗。
操子儿。
但是我那个视频没有那么。